Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
A YouTube video lives or dies by its thumbnail. The right thumbnail creator for YouTube can double or even triple clicks. Thumbnail generator tools help, but many are pricey or complicated. Here's the twist. ChatGPT can help you create great thumbnails. You describe your video, your style, and your colors, and ChatGPT builds prompts or mock-up ideas. A strong thumbnail boosts CTR, views, and channel growth. Try ChatGPT today, your free thumbnail creator YouTube shortcut.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.